Hello guys, I am Ritika from BuddyDevelopers. In today's video, we are continuing our series of building a directory website using Astra Theme and GeoDirectory. In this video, we will see how to do ad listings of our directory website. So coming on to WordPress dashboard, then GeoDirectory and then settings, then onto pages, then coming on to action button of add listing page and then click edit. So the shortcode of default add listing is already added. So coming on to this 3-bar icon, then click on GD add listing. Now we will check this onto our front end. We will refresh it. So right now it looks like this as a default, very simple. So now we will make some changes in it. To change the alignment of the heading, coming back to the editor page, first of all we will hide the page title by clicking on the eye icon. Then we will add a container for this. Click on plus icon, click on container, then select the first container. Coming on to 3-bar icon, we will move this container upward and then we will add title. So coming on to search, we will type title and then we will drag and drop it. Then center align and change the container background by changing, and then from its settings we will change the color of the container to blue. Now we will add padding from top and bottom. We are adding both as 30 respectively. Now we will change the text color to white. Now we will add bottom margin. So coming on to margin, we will unlink it, changing bottom margin to 20. Now we will save it and check it onto the output. Now we will refresh it first. So now it looks good. So now we will add this form into the container and style it. For this, coming back onto the editor, then plus icon, then drag and drop a container, click on first block, then click on the 3-bar icon, and then we will be adding these both contents within the container. Now we will be designing the add listing form. For this we will select the add listing block. Coming on to its settings, coming on to its wrapper style, we are changing its padding to 4 from above, and we are changing its all paddings to 4 respectively, and keeping its border radius type rounded and size large and shadow large. Now we will save it. Then coming on to the add listing page, we will refresh it. Now we can see it looked like this. So now we need to add a little bit more padding from above. So coming back to the page, after adding padding from above 4, we will save and refresh it. So now from filling this form, the user can add listings. So this was our directory site's add listing page, through which user can add listings. We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.